How would you like to gain skills starting today that could completely change your life and learn how to create something that you owned, doing what you love online, wherever you want in the world, as long as there's an internet connection. And you could learn this not in a few years like a university offers, but a few weeks. Something that you learn that actually can generate income. I'm Landria Onkka. I'm a YouTube influencer. You may have seen me on CEO Money and some other places online. Thanks to the training that I received online after I quit a 25-year investment banking career, and it changed my life. I'm doing what I love every day, getting rewarded for it. And I'm here to tell you there are solutions nowadays that make sense. How would you like to receive that training from the experts, people who are highly successful at doing it and who have created lucrative businesses online, training you from the comfort of your home? And best of all, not just talking about the money, but showing you how you can do what you love, feeling good about what you do for a living, passionate, and that you control. You get to choose what you do for a living, and you get paid for it. We used to call those hobbies, right? After we got back from our 9 to 5, or for me, it was more like 12 hours a day. I finally couldn't take it anymore. I quit. I learned how to create an online business through this amazing training that has step-by-step modules. I knew nothing about technology, and I got the mentors and the trainers there that I can talk to every day. I didn't have that in my own business. I owned my own company and I was the boss. This time I'm the boss, but I have an entire staff of people that help me, mentor me, ask my questions, and best of all, an amazing community of like-minded people bucking the system, going after their dreams, because life is short and you should live it the way you desire. I quit that 25-year investment banking career. I went after my dreams of being a writer. I became a best-selling, award-winning author. I have a television movie. I'm a YouTube influencer, and I get to help people every day move past their fears and create amazing lives. I love my life, and you should love yours too. It's a new era, and a new way of learning and earning is available to people like you and I. The education industry is exploding, and you can be a part of that. You can learn how to create any kind of business. No products or services required. You'll learn how to create a business without those. But if you have one, then we'll teach you how to create that business effectively and learn how to be profitable doing it. We'll be here to greet you and welcome you. And I look forward to being a part of your success story. The best part, you can sign up for free workshops. Somewhere here on the screen, you can click, or below, find a link where you can sign up for a free workshop series that explains how all of this works. It's free, it comes to your inbox, and I'll be there to greet you also. And then we'll even offer you a risk-free 30-day trial so you can find out firsthand if it's for you. You have nothing to lose. It's time to get on board with a new earth. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thanks for listening. Click somewhere here on the screen for your free video series, and I'll see you there.